Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to fix your iPhone 10 that's stuck on an unresponsive screen after the latest iOS 15 update. Regardless of whether the phone is stuck on a black screen or not, as long as it doesn't have any signs of physical or liquid damage, you should be able to fix it and make it respond again. If you're one of the users that have encountered this problem, here's what you need to do. First solution, do the forced restart. Most of the time when a high-end smartphone like the iPhone gets stuck on a black screen, or any screen for that matter, and won't respond, it's due to a firmware crash. You can fix it by doing the forced restart. To do so, quickly press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will force the phone to boot up. When the Apple logo shows, release the power key and wait until your iPhone finishes the reboot. You have to do the same thing even if your iPhone is powered on and just stuck on some screen. It will have the same effect, and that might just fix the problem. Most of the time, this is the only procedure you need to do to fix issues like this. However, if your device is stuck on a black screen and won't respond to the forced restart, then try the next solution. Second solution, charge and do the forced restart. If your iPhone remains to be unresponsive and stuck on a black screen, what you need to do next is charge it and do the forced restart while it's connected to the charger. Here's how: plug the charger to a working wall outlet and connect your iPhone to it using the original cable. Regardless of whether the iPhone shows the charging sign or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After that, do the forced restart again while the iPhone is still connected to the charger. If the problem is just due to a minor issue caused by the new update, then it should be booting up by now. But if your iPhone 10 is still stuck on the black screen of death after doing these procedures, then the problem can be with the hardware. With that, you need to have the device checked. I hope that this troubleshooting guide has been helpful one way or the other. Please support us clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching.